Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Royalton Punta Cana, an autograph collection resort and casino. Nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic, this all-inclusive paradise is just a 25-minute drive from Punta Cana International Airport. So, buckle up and get ready for a virtual tour of this tropical haven. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Royalton Punta Cana offers a range of rooms and suites that'll make you feel like royalty. From standard rooms to lavish suites, there's something for every taste and budget. The standard rooms are no slouch, boasting a spacious 430 square feet of pure comfort. But wait, there's more! These rooms come equipped with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a luxury resort. We're talking free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and minibars stocked with complimentary beverages. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the exclusive dream bed with high thread count sheets. It's like sleeping on a cloud, folks. Now, if you're feeling fancy, and let's face it, who isn't on vacation? You might want to consider upgrading to one of their suites. These bad boys come with separate living rooms, in-suite jacuzzi soaker tubs, and even butler service in some categories. Talk about living the high life. And for those who want to take luxury to the next level, there's the Diamond Club. These rooms offer access to a private lounge, exclusive pools, and a private beach area. It's like having a VIP pass to paradise. But what's a vacation without good food and drinks, right? Well, fear not, because Royalton Punta Cana has got you covered with a smorgasbord of dining options. Let's start with Elements Buffet, an open-air eatery overlooking the ocean. It's the perfect spot to grab a quick bite or indulge in a leisurely meal. For those looking for a more upscale experience, there's C/X Culinary Experience, a 7-course dining extravaganza complete with musical selections. It's like dinner and a show, all rolled into one. But wait, there's more. Fancy a steak? Head over to Hunter Steakhouse and watch the chefs work their magic in the open kitchen. Craving Italian? Vespo Italian Cuisine has got you covered with authentic dishes that'll transport you straight to Italy. And for all you sushi lovers out there, Pescari Ceviche and Sushi is serving up fresh seafood that'll make your taste buds dance. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of any Caribbean resort, the pools and beaches. Royalton Punta Cana boasts multiple pools, including infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon. And if you're feeling adventurous, head over to the neighboring Royalton Splash Punta Cana Resort for some water slide action. It's like having your own private water park. But let's not forget about the beach. With approximately 1 kilometer of pristine sandy shoreline, you'll have plenty of space to soak up the sun or take a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters. And the best part? Beach service. That's right, you can lounge on your beach chair while friendly staff bring you refreshing drinks. It's like having your own personal cabana boy or girl. Now, for those of you who can't sit still, we see you, adrenaline junkies. Royalton Punta Cana offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained. From snorkeling and kayaking to paddleboarding, there's no shortage of water sports to try. And if you prefer to stay on dry land, why not hit up the fitness center? With 24/7 access and state-of-the-art equipment, you can keep up with your workout routine even on vacation. Or, just admire the equipment while sipping a piña colada. We won't judge. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the spa is calling your name. Indulge in a variety of treatments, from massages to facials, and emerge feeling like a new person. And let's not forget about the sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxing after a night of indulgence at one of the resort's many bars. Speaking of bars, Royalton Punta Cana has got some unique watering holes that are worth checking out. The Sublime Lobby Bar features chairs hanging from the vaulted ceiling. It's like drinking in an architectural masterpiece. And for those who like to stay cool while they drink, there's the Spice Pool Bar. With underwater stools, you can literally swim up to the bar and order your favorite cocktail. Now that's what we call service. But what about the little ones, you ask? Well, Royalton Punta Cana has thought of everything. The Kids Club offers a range of activities from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., keeping the young ones entertained while you enjoy some adult time. From games and crafts to educational programs, your kids might just have a better vacation than you. Now, let's talk about what's around the resort. Within a 20 kilometers radius, you've got attractions like the Punta Cana Ecological Reserve, Manati Park, and Bavaro Cave. And if you're feeling lucky, the resort's own casino is just steps away. Who knows, you might just hit the jackpot and extend your stay indefinitely. But what really sets Royalton Punta Cana apart is its commitment to guest satisfaction. With an overall rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars on Booking.com and 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, it's clear that this resort knows how to keep its guests happy. From the friendly staff to the clean rooms and fantastic amenities, guests rave about their experiences here. Of course, no resort is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the water can be a bit rough for swimming at times, and the Wi-Fi can be slow in certain areas. But hey, you're in paradise. Maybe it's time to disconnect and enjoy the moment. In terms of value for money, Royalton Punta Cana offers competitive prices compared to other luxury resorts in the area. With all-inclusive packages starting at $200 per person per night, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. And let's not forget about the special packages they offer. From romantic getaways complete with champagne and flowers to family packages that include kids' club activities and meals. So, what's the bottom line? Royalton Punta Cana, an autograph collection resort and casino, offers a luxurious, all-inclusive experience that caters to families, couples, and solo travelers alike. With its stunning beach, multiple dining options, and array of activities, it's a tropical paradise that's hard to beat. Sure, it might not be perfect, but then again, what is? At the end of the day, it's a place where you can relax, indulge, and create memories that'll last a lifetime. So, whether you're looking to lounge by the pool with a cocktail in hand, try your luck at the casino, or explore the natural wonders of Punta Cana, this resort has got you covered. Just remember to pack your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and maybe a pair of stretchy pants for all that delicious food you'll be eating. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at Royalton Punta Cana, an autograph collection resort and casino. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just daydreaming about tropical getaways, we hope this review has given you a taste of what this Caribbean gem has to offer. Until next time, keep dreaming of those crystal clear waters and sandy beaches. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.